TWOTREES TS2 22W Metal Laser Engraving Machine. High Power Diode Laser, 410 x 410 mm engraving area, 12 mm wood and acrylic cutting, industrial grade metal frame, precision DIY and professional use. Unleash precision, power, and speed with the TWOTREES TS2 22W Laser Engraving and Cutting Machine, a robust, high-efficiency laser engraver built for makers, craftsmen, and small business professionals. With a true 22W laser output, the TS2 can effortlessly cut up to 12 mm wood and 10 mm acrylic in a single pass, while delivering extremely fine engraving on metal surfaces, leather, glass, and more. Housed in a durable all-metal frame with precision linear guide rails, this machine offers exceptional stability, repeatability, and long-lasting performance, making it perfect for both hobby and commercial applications. Gear key features and highlights: biceps true 22W diode laser power. Uses advanced quad laser diode compression technology. Cuts. Checkmark up to 12 mm basswood or plywood. Checkmark up to 10 mm black acrylic. Engraves on. Checkmark stainless steel. Checkmark anodized aluminum. Checkmark leather, stone, ceramics, and more. Ultra-fine focus point delivers clean lines and sharp image detail. Straight ruler large 410 x 410 mm engraving area. Square design maximizes use of material area.